Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. If you're not a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button and join the family. You know, I love you. We all love you. Hit the subscribe button. Please, I'm begging. Oh, I am begging. Anyway, today's video, I just wanted to come do a first impression review product of Thrive Cosmetic. Like, my table is in a mess. Thrive Cosmetic, everyone gets a Thrive Cosmetic. Everyone gets a Thrive Cosmetic. Thrive Cosmetic for everyone. This is a first impression / review of Thrive Cosmetic. Thrive Cosmetic is new to me. It might be old to you. You must have heard it before, but they've been around for a long time now. So, and they do cruelty-free vegan makeup, and when you buy things from them, they give back to people that have cancer. You know, they help the society, you know. So I'm going to be using their makeup product for my eyes today. If you want to see the foundation review, I'm going to link it at the description bar. I was comparing the Sasha and the Huda Beauty powder. Link will be at the description bar. But if you are here for Thrive Cosmetic review, stay tuned for this video, guys. This is how the brow pencil looks like. It comes with a spoolie. Like, this brow company are just killing it with the spoolie. I'm a big fan, and it looks like this. Oh no, it's ashy on me. It's giving me ashy brow. I'll just use the Kat Von D brow pencil. The Thrive Cosmetic pencil. I'll just use this to do the front of the brows because it's a bit light. Okay, I'm not mad at this. The color is perfect for the front of the brow, so nice. Oh, you make me wanna talk back. The next thing I'm going to do is to prime my lid. Thrive Cosmetic did not add any lid primer. I'll just use this one by Perrine, which looks like this. For eyeshadow, I'll be using the Thrive Cosmetic Perfect Eye palette. It looks like, I like the packaging. This packaging is really cute. Really cute. Has the shadows color at the front. Has Thrive Cosmetic, very pretty, and at the back, very simple, just classy. It looks like very simple, neutral eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start by using the Thrive Cosmetic brush on the palette. Shade right here, this warm shade, my crease. The pigment is not bad, and I didn't wet the brush, so if you're just looking for a pretty neutral palette, this will work. I also apply this at the outermost corner. I'll take the lid brush by Thrive Cosmetic. Let's see how the shimmer works. Shade right here, just a little bit on the brush. You use a smaller brush. I'll use this brush right here, this corner of the eyes. It's like I'm doing like a wedding look. So this is the Thrive Cosmetic waterproof liquid liner. Just take it out like that. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it. That wing liner is drying really fast. Guys, after I'm done with this is a nice makeup for wedding. I don't know who is getting married. Let's go. So I'm going to take this is the BTB UK liner. So guys, for lashes, Thrive Cosmetic have lashes and they look like this. They are a little bit too simple for me. You guys know I like the dramatic eyelashes, so this one's are a little bit too simple for me, so I'm not going to use this. Use this one from Everything. This is my type of lashes. Thrive Cosmetic has a lash glue, waterproof lash glue. Thrive Cosmetic has a lash coiler. I really use lash coiler. I'm going to apply blush. I'm going to apply the stick blush and stick highlighter. Let's try it out. And this is by Thrive Cosmetic. Sent me this color right here. Very cute blush. And it has a brush to dab it on my hand, then use the brush to blend. A nice color, a nice flush of color to the face. That's cute. Look at that. For the stick highlighter, it's not compulsory to use this. I'm just going to use it because I want to use it. Just give it a little bit of glow, nothing too serious. The highlighter, when you open it, big brush, highlighter brush. This brush is really nice. I like the brush. Oh, that highlighter is beautiful. Thrive Cosmetic lip product. This will be cute. I'll mix the two together. One right here. It has a bit of scent to it, like an olive oil scent. This lip combination, beautiful, beautiful, I tell you. The under eyes, so I'm going to apply a little bit of color. I don't know, that's what my mind is going. So you can leave it like this if you like. I'm just going to apply a little bit of color underneath the eyes. So I'm just going to use this, my go-to summer palette. This is by Beauty UK. I love all the colors right here. You can see I'll mix this blue with the purple. So I just took the lip to another level. That is going from neutral to bold. Okay, I think I did 2-in-1 video for you guys. So if you are looking for a bold summer look, you can do this style anytime, any day. This is my go-to summer look. But if I don't want to wear the color on the top of the eyes, I can just put it on the bottom, like mix it up. I just went from neutral to bold for you guys. So you should clap for me. Somebody please clap. The Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I'm going to use the mascara. It's heavy on the hand. Alright guys, this is how my eyes is looking using the Thrive Cosmetic makeup. I actually like the product I used today. I actually like the brow product. It was not bad. The brow pencil was not bad at all. It's just that the color is a bit off. They need to like work on the color a little bit, add more color for brown skin girls. But it was nice using it to fill the front of the brows. Nice. I like the lip combo, beautiful, highlighter, not bad, but a little bit of pigment will do, but I think they tone it down for girls that don't really like too much highlighter. And this is also a vegan cruelty free makeup, which is a plus for all my vegan girls out there, or my cruelty free ladies out there. This is like a full face cruelty free makeup for you. You understand? Yeah. So if you're interested in this brand, the Thrive Cosmetic makeup, I'll link it at the description bar. If there's any product I use that you want me to explain more to you, ask me at the comment section. I'll come and do that for you. Let me know if you like their packaging, what you like in the brand, if you've used them before, if you've seen them before. Let me know at the comment section. You know how we do, we talk about things, you know. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video slash review slash first impression. Thank you so much for watching. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys. Bye.